welcome, my friends. We are a a cappella group. The guitar is just for show. We don't actually use the guitar. We are called, if you have a good name for our a cappella group, you guys can please come up with it and hashtag us on our Maroon 5 account on Instagram, Twitter. If you have a good name for our a cappella group, we can't name the group yet. We still haven't landed on something great. So, thank you for your submissions. I personally like the shitheads, but that didn't work. It was too edgy. It was too edgy. PJ liked it, but Jesse didn't like it. Kind of the chord again. Thank you. We got it now. Now we're cooking with gas. Sorry. These a cappella groups, you have things, you know, they're inside jokes. I'm sorry. I'm out of bed, trying to go home. All of the change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Happy ever afters didn't say I was to be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be safe. Good job.